So welcome in second part. Before I go ahead, let me tell you or let me recall you what happened in first part. If you remember, in the first part there was one lady who stood at a door and she given a news about birth of baby, and that times our means Father Joseph was reading Bible, and it wasn't a coincidence. He said, who said? Father Joseph. To whom? Lady. To lady. Okay. So now, second paragraph. Of course, Father Mohar said to the woman. Now, when Father Mohar reached the peasant, peasant at farmer house of farmer person's किसान, है ना? That similar words peasant, हम peasant भी बोल सकते हैं उनको, है ना? उन्हें हम peasant भी बोल सकते हैं. Then when Father Mohar reached the peasant hut, he saw the young mother cradling her infant lovingly. When Father Joseph entered in his home, okay, what is that words? Peasant, okay, किसान के घर पे चले गए. That times Father Joseph observed or saw there is one young mother, okay, and near about her there is one boy, baby, okay, there is one boy, baby. What he said? When Father Mohar reached the peasant hut, he saw the young mother cradling her infant lovingly. Infant, छोटा सा बच्चा, है ना? छोटा सा बच्चा, उसे हम infant भी बोलते हैं, baby, infant, है ना? Then infant lovingly. So that time his mother was taking care lovingly. What a blessed day this is, Father. If you just observe on this line, what is that? What a blessed day this is, Father. After that Father there is exclamation mark. After that sentence, after that Father there is one exclamation mark. So this is exclamatory sentence, है ना? This is exclamatory sentence. And where we have to use exclamatory sentence and why we have to use exclamatory sentence and how we can identify exclamatory sentence according to that sign, as well as when we have to express our suddenly feelings, है ना? Sudden feelings, emotions, है ना? So that times we use exclamatory sentence, है ना? So that times why in this line given exclamation mark? Because when Father Joseph entered that peasant home, so that times that baby's mother show her suddenly feelings, okay. So उन्होंने जो कुछ भी suddenly feelings express किया, so what was that? So that was, what a blessed day this is, Father, है ना? ऐसा उन्होंने कहा. Then said the mother, smiling down happily at her baby. Okay, बच्चा उसके पास ही था, right? So that time she said that, what a blessed day this is, Father. Okay, she said with smile and look at downside at her baby. Now Father Mohar nodded and said a silent prayer for the infant. So after that, Joseph father pray the silent voice, pray the silent voice. And after that, on his way back home, means when that father complete that activity, so that times when father on his way back home, Father Mohar kept replying the events of the evening in his mind. So that times Father Joseph or Father Mohar, he was kept that all event in his mind. He couldn't forget the scene of the infant laying in its mother arm. So when he just observed that baby, so that time it was a very miraculous. Why? Because that time there was some scene, so he couldn't forget Father Joseph he couldn't forget the scene of the infant laying in its mother arms. जब वो बच्चा उसकी माँ के साइड में सोकर था या फिर लेट कर था, तब वो सीन फादर जोसेफ नहीं भूल पा रहे थे. Then all around him preparation were underway for the midnight mass as the village celebrate the birth of Christ. So when he just born, so that times on that day all villagers celebrate birth of Christ. That times all villagers celebrate birth of Christ. Okay, so in this way we just complete first page of this lesson. In next video we will continue, or we shall continue second lesson or second page, not second lesson, second page. Okay, I hope you just understood, and let me tell you again, when you just complete this video, okay, when you just complete this video, so that times you have to read this page, means first page number 46. You have to read this page near about 2 to 3 times, at least 2 to 3 times. Okay, 2 to 3 times, then you will understand. Okay, then you will understand. Okay, otherwise if you face any difficulty, just ping me. Okay, so till then, see you, bye.